Okay, everybody, this is Ian from Mindful Marketplace, and welcome back to our short series of tutorials on the Circle .so community building software platform. Sorry for the cough. That's a non-COVID cough for those of you who are panicking. All right, so in this video, we're going to actually cover setting a homepage and seeing how that changes the aesthetic, layout, and the content that's being delivered on the front page of your community. So again, this is a new community that we're playing with outside of our own main circles. So I just actually set this up a couple days ago. I'm recording this on the 2nd of May. This is actually on the free trial. So there's a couple things that are I can't show you on a trial, but it allows you to see how all these elements kind of come together from jump rather than from an existing community with content that's already fleshed out. All right, so we're going to set the home page. I think it's this gear box here. It is. As you can see, we're going to select home from the far left, and we're going to enable home with this toggle, and then you're going to set the amount of posts that you want to trend. Let's call it 7, and blah, blah, blah. Here's how you're going to order the post: by latest, by most popular, by oldest. So you can set chronological order or activity or even alphabetical orientation from the standpoint of content that's being delivered on your homepage stream. And let's just say, I don't know, let's pick popular. All right, there's not really a lot popular. This is a new community, and we're going to do default. And this is, by the way, for a logged in user. This is for a logged out user. So, you would use these in different ways relative to the content you want to display to whether someone's a member or whether someone's not a member, right? So let's change this for logged out. Let's call this new activity and show posts from all public spaces. We want that to be yes. In other words, you can restrict some content from that's public that won't show up on your homepage. You can also do this on a more fine-grained, granular level on a post-by-post basis as well. You can hide things from the content stream if you so desire. All right. And here are some other things we're not going to cover in this particular video because we're just trying to show you the home page. So let's go down and save this. Let's go back to the community. And now you'll see that the home page is already showing different content, right? Rather than what you were seeing before, now you're seeing a content stream of posts that are set to actually display on the home feed. It's very easy to do, and it's actually quite effective for surfacing the content that you want to show to either your logged in members or your logged out members, again, by dint of their involvement in your community. Okay, hope that's been helpful. If you have any questions, as always, if you're watching this in our private community, you can obviously leave a comment below the post. And if you're watching this on something like YouTube, feel free to send an email to Ian at mindfulmarketplace.com, and I'm happy to help. Thanks.